Did you know the microwave oven was invented by accident? In 1945, Percy Spencer, an engineer at Raytheon, was working with radar technology. While testing a magnetron, he noticed a chocolate bar in his pocket had melted. Intrigued, he experimented by placing popcorn kernels near the magnetron. They popped. Realizing the potential, Spencer developed the first microwave oven, called the Radar Range. It was huge and expensive, but over decades technology advanced, making microwaves a kitchen item we can't live without today. From melted chocolate to your favorite popcorn, a happy accident changed how we cook forever.